WhatsApp showing this pop-up. Allow WhatsApp to check the phone number on your SIM. In this tutorial, I'll explain to you why showing this pop-up and how to fix it. This notification is a part of new security mandate in India called SIM binding. It is not a problem with your specific account or phone, rather it is a new requirement from the Department of Telecommunication in India to help prevent cyber fraud and the misuse of phone numbers. Previously, you only needed your SIM card to receive a one-time password when you setting up WhatsApp. After that, the app would continue work even you remove the SIM card or put it in a different phone. Under the new telecom cybersecurity rules, messaging app like WhatsApp, Telegram must now verify that the registered SIM card is physically present in the device. So first, set the SIM card you use to log in into WhatsApp to your phone, and then long press or long tap on WhatsApp, and then open WhatsApp app info. Just tap on I button or app info. Now go to permission option and then allow phone permission. Just tap on phone option and allow phone permission, and also allow all the permission, and then go back to home screen. Now restart your phone. After following all these steps, now go to WhatsApp and see problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.